First open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Windows Update. Press Run the troubleshooter. Wait for the program to detect your Windows Update issues. Wait for the program to repair Windows Update. Close the troubleshooter and restart. If that didn't work, first open your settings. Open Update and Security. Open Recovery. Go to Advanced Startup and click on Restart Now. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Settings. Press Restart. Press your F4 key. Open a folder and go to C. Open the Windows folder. Locate the Software Distribution folder. Delete the folder. Now restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop wuauserv and then press Enter. Type netstop cryptSvc and then press Enter. Type netstop bits and then press Enter. Type Ren C /Windows /SoftwareDistribution SoftwareDistribution.old and then press Enter. Type Ren C /Windows/System32/catroot2 catroot2.old and then press Enter. Type net start wuauserv and then press Enter. Type net start bits and then press Enter. Type net start cryptSvc and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Now restart. If that didn't work, first open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Click on Download Tool now. Download the tool and run it. Press Yes. Press Accept. Press Next. Press Accept. Leave it as it is, if you want to keep all your files and programs. Press Install. Wait for the update to be installed. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Open Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS type, 1111. In alternate DNS type, 1001. Press OK. Close the window and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Recovery Options. Open Recovery Options. Go to Advanced Startup and click on Restart Now. Press System Restore. Select your account. Press Next. Select your latest restore point. Press Next. Press Finish. Press Yes. Now wait for your PC to be restored. Now your PC should be restored. Press Restart. Now your problem should be fixed.